Good morning. My name is Ana Patricia Agudelo. Airbnb is a company that offers a digital platform dedicated to the offer of accommodation to individuals and tourists. Where homes get advertised and hire their properties to their guests. Homes and grass can value each other as reference for future users. Student Diana Patricia Agudelo, Cars are 20. Promise. Not being clear about the need for ways. Do not show expression of humanity. Do not monitor any inventory or the behavior of anyone who offers it. Concept. Booking cancellation. Keep only the lucrative part in mind. Consequences. Once imparted, was lost, that not offer a good experience.